Hello everyone. Exercise 1.1, third main. The question is as follows. For following APs, write the first term and common difference. Here AP is given, that is 3, 1, minus 1, 3. Now in this you have to write the first term and also the common difference. See, in a pattern, the first term is also called as A1 or A. Here, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Write as it is. The first term is 3, that is A1 is 3. Now, in order to find out the common difference, we'll make use of second term minus first term, or you can write third term minus second term, or even fourth term minus third term will also gives you the common difference. Now D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is, the second term is 1 minus the third term, that is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Hence you have to write A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. Next question in the same main, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Here minus 5 is the first term and you have to write the pattern as A1, A2, A3, A4. Here first term is minus 5. Common difference you have to find out by taking the second term minus the first term. The second term is minus 1 minus first term is minus 5. Here minus 1 as it is, minus into minus is plus, write 5 as it is. Now if you subtract 5 from 1, you will get 4. Here 4. Here 5 is a greater number having positive sign, hence you have to write 4. Therefore, you will write it as A is equal to minus 5 and D is equal to 4. The next question in this exercise is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. Now write the pattern. Write A1, A2, A3 and A4. First term is 1 by 3. That is A1 is equal to 1 by 3. The method of finding common difference is same, that is A2 minus A1. Here A2 is the second term, that is 5 by 3 minus the first term is 1 by 3. Since the fractions are having the common denominator, write the denominator and write the numerator as 5 minus 1. If you subtract 5 minus 1, you will get 4 with the denominator 3. Now you can write it as A is equal to 1 by 3 and D is equal to 4 by 3 is the answer. The last question in this exercise is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, so on. Now write the pattern, name it as A1, A2, A3, A4. The first term is 0.6, that is A1 is equal to 0.6 or 0.6. Write common difference as A2 minus A1. Write the second term, that is 1.7 minus 0.6. Here if you subtract 1.7 from 0.6, you'll get 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Answer is 1.1. Hence, the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 1.1. Next main, that is question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Here, first you have to find out whether the given numbers are in AP. This is the first segment of the problem. Suppose if the pattern are in AP, then you have to find out the common difference and the next segment you have to write 3 more numbers in that pattern. Let us solve the problem. The first problem is 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now, in order to find whether this pattern are in AP or not, it is necessary to find out the common difference. The common difference is second term minus first term, that is 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, one more common difference is required, that is third term minus second term. 8 minus 4 is 4. Here, why we have to take at least two common difference is to confirm whether the common difference is same or not. In this case, you have observed that the common difference of A2 minus A1 was 2, A3 minus A2 was 4, that is both are not equal to each other, hence the given pattern is not in AP. If the given pattern is not in AP, then no need to write 3 more terms of this AP. If it is in AP, then it is necessary to write 3 more terms as it was informed in the question itself. Next question is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Now write the pattern, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and name it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Same procedure, that is finding the difference and confirm whether the difference you have got is same. Now, if you take the difference of second term minus first term, that is second term is 5 by 2 minus 2. Here 2 is a LCM, multiply with 2. Now it will become 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2 as it is. We will find out one more common difference by taking A3 minus A2, where A3 third term is 3 and second term is 5 by 2. Is taking 2 as an LCM again. You have to multiply the numerator by 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 5 as it is with the denominator 2. Now 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 as it is. Confirm that the common difference is again 1 by 2. We will see one more common difference, that is A4 minus A3, where the fourth term was 7 by 2 and minus 3. Taking 2 as an LCM again, then 7 as it is minus this 3 has to be multiplied by 2, hence it will become 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. If you observe all, it is same. After finding the common difference, it is found to be the common difference in all the cases is same, that is 1 by 2. That is, when you subtract second minus first term, is same as third term minus second term, is same as fourth term minus third term, that is 1 by 2. Hence, we can write as the given numbers are in AP. If the given numbers are in AP, the next segment is to find out 3 more numbers. Already they were given 4 numbers. Now, remaining 3 numbers you are supposed to find. What is A5? A5 can be written as fourth term with common difference. The fourth term was 7 by 2 plus add 1 by 2 to it. 1 by 2 is a common difference. Since denominator is common, then add the numerator, you will get 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Then the fifth term is 4. Now write the sixth term, that is A6 is equal to fifth term plus D. Now fifth term you know, that is 4. Add 1 by 2 as a common difference. Taking LCM as 2, then multiply 4 into 2, that is 8, plus as it is 1 as it is by 2. Here when you add 8 plus 1, you will get 9 by 2. Now this is the sixth term, and seventh term can be obtained by adding 1 by 2 to the sixth term. Here a6 plus d will become 9 by 2 is the sixth term. Add 1 by 2 to it. Now since denominator is common, add the numerator, that is 9 plus 1. You will get 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Now the fifth term is 4. The sixth term is 9 by 2. And the seventh term is 5. The question number 3, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find the common difference by taking second term minus first term. Here the second term is minus 3.2 minus of minus, that is minus 1.2. A1 is minus 1.2, hence minus of minus we have to write. Here minus 3.2 as it is, minus into minus is plus 1.2. Here the terms are having the different sign, you have to subtract. That is 3.2, 1.2. You have to subtract it. Subtract 2 minus 2 is 0. If you subtract 3 minus 1, it is minus 2. See, minus 2.0 can be written as minus 2. Same way, find the common difference by taking third term minus second term. That is, third term is minus 5.2 minus second term is minus 3.2. Here minus into minus you will get plus, minus 5.2 as it is, minus into minus is plus 3.2. Again you have to subtract. Subtract minus 5.2 and 3.2, you will get minus 2 as a common difference. Again if you subtract fourth term minus third term, that is minus 7.2 minus 5.2. Here minus 7.2 as it is, minus into minus is plus 5.2 as it is. If you subtract, you will get minus 2 again. Hence, by observing all three common difference, it is found to be same, that is minus 2. Hence, you have to write common difference is equal to d2 minus d1, that is equal to d3 minus d2, that is equal to d4 minus d3, all are equal to minus 2. Hence, the given pattern is in AP. The next segment of the question is to find out 3 more terms. In the pattern, the 4 terms are given. The last term, that is 4th term, is minus 7.2. If you add common difference to the 4th term, you will get 5th term. That is, 5th term is equal to 4th term plus common difference. The 4th term was minus 7.2. Add minus 2 to it. Plus into minus is minus. Hence, minus 7.2 minus 2. Since the symbol are same, you have to add. That is 7.2 minus 2. 2 can be written as 2.0. Then 2 as it is, minus 9. That is minus 9.2 is the 5th term. Take this 5th term and add common difference to it. You will get 6th term. That is 6. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 9.2. Add minus 2 to it. You will get minus 9.2 minus 2 is minus 11.2. 11.2 minus 11.2 is the 6th term of the AP. If you want to find out the 7th term, add common difference to it. That is A6 plus D. That is minus 11.2 plus minus 2. Then plus into minus is again minus. Again both the symbols are same. Hence you have to add the terms. When you add 11.2 and 2 again, you'll get 13.2. That is minus 13.2 is the 7th term of AP. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 4 of the same exercise. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. In this you have to find out whether the given pattern is in AP or not. Before you have to write the terms as A1, A2, A3, A4. Find the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. Here second term is minus 6 minus of minus 10. So as it is, minus into minus is plus, 10 you have to write as it is. Since the signs are different, you have to subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. Same way, find out one more common difference by taking third term minus second term. Third term was minus 2 minus, instead of A2, you have to write minus 6. Write minus 2 as it is, minus into minus is plus, 6 as it is. Then since signs are different, you have to subtract. If you subtract, 6 minus 2 is again 4. Then find out one more common difference of fourth term minus third term. That is, fourth term is 2 minus of minus 2. 2 as it is, minus of minus is plus, 2 as it is. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. When you observe, the common difference was 4 in all the cases. Hence you have to write D is equal to, that is the second term minus first term, that is equal to third term minus second term, that is same as fourth term minus third term. In all the cases, the common difference was 4. Hence, the given pattern are in AP. The next segment of the problem is to find out remaining 3 more terms. Take the last term, that is fourth term, and add common difference to it. The fourth term was 2 and the common difference is 4. That is 2 plus 4 is 6. This is the fifth term. Take the fifth term and add common difference to it. Then you will get the sixth term. That is A6 is equal to A5 plus D. That is equal to 6 plus 4. 6 is the fifth term. D is equal to 4. When you add 6 plus 4, you will get 10. A7 can be obtained by adding A6 plus D. A6 is 10 and common difference is 4. When you add 10 to 4, you will get 14. Here 6, 10, 14 are the fifth term, sixth term and seventh term of the AP. The fifth question, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Write the given pattern, name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find the common difference taking second term minus first term, that is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. This is the second term minus the first term. Here plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. You are left with root 2. Now find out one more common difference by taking third term minus second term. Third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of second term, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Since there are two terms, you have to write it in a bracket. Now write the first term as it is, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 as it is. Remove the bracket. Here plus into minus is minus 3. Plus into minus is minus again, minus 2. Here again plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. You are left with 2 root 2 and root 2. Here root 2 means you have to think it as it is 1 root 2. Subtract 2 root 2 and minus 1 root 2, then you will get root 2 itself. Take one more common difference by taking A4 minus A3. Here A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus third term is 3 plus 2 root 2. write it in a bracket. Write the term as it is, 3 plus 3 root 2. Here remove the bracket, plus into minus is minus 3. Plus into minus is again minus 2 root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Here from 3 root 2, if you subtract 2 root 2, you will get root 2 again. Observe the common difference, it is same throughout, that is root 2. Hence you can write it as D is equal to A2 minus A1 is as good as A3 minus A2 is same as A4 minus A3, that all equal to root 2. Hence given pattern is in AP. The next segment is to find out 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. The last term, that is fourth term, was given 3 plus 3 root 2. Add common difference to it, that is root 2. It will be, now since there is no whole number, write 3 as it is and add 3 root 2 to 1 root 2. You will get 4 root 2. That is 3 plus 4 root 2 is the fifth term of that AP. That is arithmetic progression. Write the fifth term and add common difference to it. Again you don't find the whole number, write 3 as it is and add 4 root 2 and 1 root 2 is 5 root 2. This is the sixth term. Write the sixth term and add common difference to it. There is no whole number. Write 3 as it is and add 5 root 2 to 1 root 2. You will get 6 root 2. Here 3 plus 4 root 2 is the fifth term. 3 plus 5 root 2 is the sixth term. 3 plus 6 root 2 is the seventh term of AP. If you find my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.